Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your SIM card inside the Samsung Galaxy M30s. You will need a SIM card extraction tool like this, and on the left side of your smartphone you can see a hidden slot. There is a hole. In this hole there's enough space for the SIM card extraction tool. If you press a little bit on it, you're able to remove the SIM card tray. Yeah, here we are. You can see two slots for nano SIM cards, two of them, and one slot for micro SD card. The micro SD card is on the right side, and the nano SIM card places 1 and 2 are on the left side. The SIM card you can assemble is the Nano-sim. Both are Nano-sim. This is for the micro SD card. This will expand your memory for more data capacity. And there you can see the tray area for the nano SIM cards. The nano SIM card tray has 4 edges, and one edge is a little bit different than the others. Let's have a look at a SIM card. Here is a nano SIM card. This is the smallest SIM card right now on the market. And there is a curved edge too. One of the edge is different. So now let's puzzle a little bit. The SIM card, the nano SIM card, only will match one way. Here you can see. We are going down, and here we are. This is a nano SIM card, but you can also install a second one at the same time, no problem. Okay, now we assembled or attached one SIM card, for example. Now we are getting back the SIM tray into position. On the left side of your Samsung Galaxy M30s. Here we are, this is the outer side, and let's move it back in position. The SIM card chip is looking on the back side of your smartphone. Here we are, let's unlock it. Yeah, and now we have to enter the SIM card pin first. The SIM card pin you will get from your provider. If you enter the SIM card pin, you can see it is slot number 1, which you can see on the screen. If you have a second one, that will be the SIM card number 2. So here we are at SIM card management system. You can see there is the SIM card, which is with 4G, 3G, and 2G options, SMS, phone calls, and mobile data. You can activate and deactivate the options, of course. And here you can manage your SIM cards if you are attached to 2 of them, and can have some fun with it. This will enter into the mobile world for you, the nano SIM card. Easy as you can see. Get it out, then go into with 1 or 2 nano SIMs, get back in position, and place the pin. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.